Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Come on in and see what's going on. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. May not. I'm not being real careful, don't need to. I just want this paint down in the grooves. The surface is going to be sanded off. No sense in wasting card on this. I'll come back when I get it done. Got that finished. Now I'll let this sit overnight to dry. It doesn't need to wait that long. It's just acrylic, but I'm hot. I gotta go to the store and buy stuff to cook dinner. So I will be back out here tomorrow and we'll finish this up, I hope. It's gonna be something different for me, that's for sure. I've done embellishments of sorts, but never anything quite like this. The goal is to take the surface back off with the sander, leaving the black in the pores. Hopefully it'll look good. If it don't, I haven't lost anything. I can take it off and do something else. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Let's see if this will sand away. By Jove, I think that'll work. I'll get back in here with my bottom feeder and take this out till I lose my screw holes. Don't know how deep that's going to be. Starting with the handle low, and I'm swinging it around, low and close. And as I swing it to me, I'm raising the handle so I get on center line, and I'm bringing it to my body and opening this up. That's almost got it, not quite. I'm kind of liking this.
Liking what? The bowl? Are you leaving it like this?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to round this off.
Well, yeah, but like you're keeping this?
Yeah. Okay, I'm nearly to depth, so come in with my scraper. Round this bottom nice. When you get bouncing like that, that means your last cut was too fast and uneven. So it's important that you go in very, very lightly to get rid of that bouncing. Maintain even pressure and try to eliminate it. You can tell now it's settling down. harmonics in this thing. Can you imagine if this rim was out there that thin? I would be begging for disaster. Almost. Now, the problem is going to be the foot. Because I'm pretty sure this piece is too big for my donut tub. It might not be, we'll see. Yep, too big. Shouldn't have any straight lines in here. The light won't reflect it right. Cornbread are straight, bowls are round. That looks good enough to me. Now we'll sand it up and on the inside, and then I'll fill these places that need to be filled. There are times the inertia sander just don't get it done good enough. This was one of those times. Now the tool marks are gone. Def lacquer sanding sealer. Let that dry for a little bit. I'm gonna come back and fill some of these holes. Y'all are just gonna have to forgive me. I can't stand turning up my music anymore. Okay, sand this up again and put more sanding sealer on it, and then it's time for the, yeah, that's done. All right, that looks pretty good. Now, put me some sanding sealer on it. Dry a little bit, and I'll come back with the Yorkshire grit. That's the word I couldn't find a while ago. Polish this out, and this is close to being done. I have two choices once I make that happen. Once I do the Yorkshire grit, I'm going to finish it off the lathe. I'm going to shoot it. I've decided I was going to shoot lacquer, but it's with the humidity we've got right now, it would take a good 2 weeks for it to cure. And I don't want to wait that long before I try to sell it. So I have a customer in mind. He asked me for a piece to put in his office since his wife took the last piece home. So I'm hoping he likes this one. He said, I want a really cool looking piece of wood. He loves Cocobolo, and this Mesquite has a similar look, grain structure wise, and this was kind of a crotch. So, and it's got some really cool curl in it. So I'm hoping he likes it. If he don't, I'll make something else. So I could part it off and not worry about having to turn it around and then just sand and fix the bottom, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try to turn it around. Let this cure up a little bit. We'll get to it. Let's get it. still heavy. That's running relatively true for about 600. Before I go any further, I'm going to fill these voids. Then I'll come back and make this a little bit smaller, do the initial sanding. Alright, when that cures, I'll come to the bottom, or finish it. Okay, that should be dry, so okay, now part that off, or nearly so. Put my face shield on just in case the unthinkable happens. The inside looks good. I didn't hurt it. That's broke off. So now what I'm going to do is take this over to the bench, power sand that down, and I'll come back and show it to you. So here it is. I was originally going to spray it gloss, but I liked the satin look, and my wife did too. In fact, I didn't spray it at all. It's plenty hard. It's mesquite after all. So basically I just waxed it up. It's not, like I said, it's not a real functional piece. There's a piece of mesquite crotch. You can see the flame in here. I love that flame figure. Even though it's real satiny, it's got plenty of shine to it. You can see the glare from the light. But I love this flame. And the chatoyance is just amazing. A little bit of sapwood back here where I filled it. You can see that reaction. That's crazy. So that's another one done. Here in the, once again, messy studio. Yeah, I've got some shavings to clean up. Got mesquite shavings all over the shop. Everything in front of me back to this corner. I mean, even on the drill press, it's just showered. One of the cool things I like about this new setup is if I want to, because of the way I've got the lathe set and where I've got it set, I can actually turn on both sides of the lathe now. I don't have to just stick to one side. If I need to come over here to be able to get to something, boom, spin the banjo around, knock her out. So I'm excited about that. Another piece down, I'm going to deliver it Monday. Hope he likes it. If he don't buy it, somebody will. Please try to bear with me on the sound issues. I know it's not optimal. I ordered some sound equipment to try to minimize any background noise you get. And worst case scenario, I can use it to record voiceovers and just voice over everything from here on out. But I want to try this other stuff first. It's a lapel mic. It should be nice, and it should give you some good sound even underneath my face shield. So I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see. The problem was it was supposed to be here Thursday, and it left the local delivery place, local in-town delivery place at 7:30 one morning, Thursday morning. I never got it. They say they lost it. And it went out for delivery that morning, and at 3:30 it was reported undeliverable. So I don't know what's going on. So I got new ones coming, and like I said, the microphone on my laptop just isn't worth a crap. You've heard some of the voiceover stuff that I've already done on it, and I don't like it. I don't like the quality. So I appreciate you bearing with me. I don't know what I'm going to tackle next, but come back and see us. Might be something that interests you. You never know around here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Y'all come back.